Trouble continues to brew for the young actor Ananya Pandey, who has been called for summon because now India Today has managed to get some inside information of what was found in the conversation. The Narcotics Control Bureau sources are claiming that Aryan Khan in his conversation had asked Ananya for ganja in a conversation in WhatsApp chat, to which, according to the Bureau, Ananya had told Aryan Khan that she can arrange ganja for him. But when she was asked about this to the Narcotics Control Bureau, she said, and I'm paraphrasing what she may have told the Narcotics Control Bureau, I was just joking in that conversation. There is no proof so far that any of that actually happened, and that perhaps is what Ananya will be banking on, that there is no evidence so far that Ananya arranged drugs for Aryan Khan. Also, we are being told that Ananya broke down before the Narcotics Control Bureau officials while she was being questioned by the personnel there at that point when she was summoned to the Bureau. So it is about asking, consumption and procuring those drugs. Arvind Ojha is breaking that information for us. So is Arvind, ये कह सकते हैं कि ये एक वो रीजन था जिसकी वजह से अनन्या को बुलाया जा रहा था, बिकॉज अभी तक क्लैरिटी नहीं थी कि क्यों अनन्या पांडे को सडनली समन किया गया है. तो आप हमें कह रहे हैं कि वो जो मेंशन था चैट में गांजा का, उस वजह से उसको बुलाया गया.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. देखिए, और इंडिया टुडे ने पहले ही ये बताया था कि जो एक बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस है वो रडार पर है. आर्यन खान के साथ उनका चैट मिला है, जिसके बाद नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम ने कल रेड किया था अनन्या पांडे के घर पे, और उसके बाद समन देकर पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया था. जो इंडिया टुडे को एक्सक्लूसिव जानकारी मिली है कि वैसे तो काफी चैट्स हैं नशे को लेकर, लेकिन एक चैट्स है जिसमें आर्यन खान बाकायदा मैरुआना की बात करते हैं और पूछते हैं कि क्या वो अरेंज हो सकता है. अनन्या पांडे कहती हैं कि मैं वो अरेंज कर दूंगी. हालांकि कल जब इंटरोगेशन के लिए बुलाया गया और वो चैट दिखाया गया तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैं सिर्फ मजाक कर रही थी. इसके अलावा जो हमें जानकारी मिली है कि कल चंकी पांडे, जो अनन्या पांडे के पिता हैं, वो भी साथ में आए थे, और इंटरोगेशन रूम में दाखिल होने के पहले जो अनन्या पांडे वो काफी नर्वस थी. वो अपने पिता के साथ रोई भी. उसके बाद वो इंटरोगेशन रूम में अकेली दाखिल हुई. लेकिन ये आपको बताऊं, ये जो चैट्स है आर्यन और अनन्या पांडे के बीच, ये कोर्ट में जब हियरिंग हो रही थी तब एनसीबी ने सबमिट किया था. तो ऐसे में अनन्या पांडे को पूछताछ के लिए बुलाना जरूरी हो गया था. इसलिए एनसीबी की टीम ने पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया. न सिर्फ पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया, बल्कि अनन्या पांडे के घर पे सर्च भी किया गया. उनका मोबाइल फोन सीज किया गया, लैपटॉप सीज किया गया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक जो डिवाइस है उनके घर पे वो सीज किया गया. आज दूसरे राउंड की अनन्या पांडे से पूछताछ होगी, क्योंकि एनसीबी के सोर्सेज ने इंडिया टुडे को बताया है कि कई बार नशे को लेकर खास तौर पर दोनों के बीच बातचीत हुई है. ऐसे में जो वो चैट्स हैं उनको वेरीफाइड करना है सामने बिठाकर, जिनसे बातचीत हो रही थी आर्यन की, यानी अनन्या पांडे से. आर्यन खान को पहले ही नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम ने अरेस्ट किया है, और जब चार्जशीट दाखिल होगी अदालत में, उसके पहले और भी एविडेंस नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो को कलेक्ट करने हैं, जिसमें एक अहम कड़ी है अनन्या पांडे, क्योंकि उनके साथ आर्यन खान का नशे को लेकर कई चैट्स जो है वो एनसीबी ने रिकवर किया था.
मगर अरविंद, जैसा आप हमें बता रहे हैं कि जब उसको ये सवाल किया गया, कल जब मुलाकात हुई थी, जब उनको समन दिया गया, जब वो आइन से जब सवाल जवाब हुआ, एक तो वो रो पड़ी और उन्होंने कहा मैं तो सिर्फ मजाक कर रही थी चैट में, मैंने दिया नहीं गांजा उनको. तो ये जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है इसके बारे में भी हमें जरा बताएं.
जी बिल्कुल. देखिए, मैं आपको बताऊं कि जो एनसीबी के सोर्सेज है, देखिए जो बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस हैं अनन्या, उन्होंने कभी सोचा नहीं होगा कि नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो का ये ऑफिस, जहां बड़े बड़े ड्रग पैडलर आते हैं, उनको कभी यहां पर आना पड़ेगा, नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के सवालों का सामना करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे में वो जाहिर सी बात है काफी नर्वस थी. और जो हमें सोर्सेज बता रहे हैं कि जब वो इंटरोगेशन रूम में दाखिल हो रही थी, जहां पर जो एनसीबी के ऑफिसर्स बैठे थे, उसके ठीक पहले चंकी पांडे, जो उनके पिता है, वो उनके साथ थे. वो काफी नर्वस हुई, वो ब्रोक डाउन हुई, वो रोई. उसके बाद वो अकेले इंटरोगेशन रूम में दाखिल हुई. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, जो चैट मिला है उसमें आर्यन और अनन्या के बीच ये बातचीत हो रही थी मैरुआना को लेकर. आर्यन उससे पूछते हैं कि क्या ये जुगाड़ हो सकता है. उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि मैं ये अरेंज कर दूंगी. लेकिन जब ये पूछा गया नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो ने चैट दिखाकर पूछा तो उन्होंने कहा वो मजाक कर रही थी। इसके अलावा एनसीबी सोर्सेज ने यह भी क्लियर किया है कि अभी तक हमारे पास ऐसा कोई एविडेंस भी नहीं है कि अनन्या ने कभी अरेंज किया हो marijuana आर्यन के लिए। तो लेकिन इसको लेकर लगातार पूछताछ हो रही है। आपको यहाँ इंपॉर्टेंट ये भी बता दूं कि जब बेल की हियरिंग हो रही थी सेशन कोर्ट में तो वहां पर बंच ऑफ चैट्स आर्यन का ड्रग पैडलर के साथ, अनन्या के साथ वो कोर्ट में सबमिट है। तो ऐसे में ये जरूरी हो गया था कि अनन्या पांडे से नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम पूछताछ करे और जो एक डेप्थ है इन्वेस्टिगेशन की उस डेप्थ में जाए, क्योंकि चार्जशीट में ये जो चैट है अनन्या और आर्यन का ये भी हिस्सा बनने जा रहा है, ऐसा हमें नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के सोर्सेज ने बताया।
अरविंद हमारे साथ बने रहे। अरविंद has basically told us why Ananya Pandey was called for questioning. She was called because there was a WhatsApp conversation where it appeared that she was telling Aryan Khan that if he requires ganja, which is a component of marijuana, that she can have it delivered. But when the bureau asked her about that conversation, she was of course taken by surprise and said, I was just joking about it. So was she joking? Could she know someone who could deliver it? This is what the bureau is likely to investigate further. But there is no evidence as of now that she actually managed to procure or provide it to someone or consumed it herself. Mustafa Sheikh is in Mumbai. Arvind Ojha is right outside Narcotics Bureau in Mumbai. Mustafa Sheikh is also on location. Mustafa, she has been sent a summon again today. Has she come yet? What are you picking on the details? When is she likely to arrive today?
Well, what we have been told by our correspondents outside her house, Ananya Pandey has not yet left. She was summoned for around 11 a.m. The time has passed. Even yesterday she was summoned at 2 p.m. but she arrived only around 4 p.m. So we are waiting here outside the NCB to say in how much time Ananya Pandey arrives. But yes, she will be again questioned, as Arvind was mentioning, about the same chats of Aryan Khan, because that's the main link. Also, what we are picking up is that there is one person who's known to be a drug peddler in the western suburbs of Mumbai has also been detained. So whether that person has to do anything with drugs and anything to do with the Ananya Pandey angle of the NCB investigation, that will be also important, because if yes, then a confrontation can take place and that can do a big breakthrough. Because remember, since 20 days after Aryan Khan's arrest, Ananya Pandey was summoned. So Ananya Pandey was knowing that she could be summoned anytime. She had this time to prepare. We remember at the time of the chats which had come out between Deepika Padukone and her manager Karishma Prakash also, both people were questioned, and they said that while they were speaking about drugs, but they call cigarettes with the name of drugs, and hence they were talking about cigarettes and not drugs. Now Ananya Pandey is saying that she was just joking about this conversation. Yes. So these are things which the NCB faces as a challenge to see and interrogate and crack and understand what the reality of the chats was.
So the 22-year-old is now also on the radar of the bureau, but as bureau officials had said, she's just now been asked for questioning. Does not mean that she is a culprit in the same. However, of course, there could be trouble brewing for the young female actor. But Ananya Pandey, just to give you a background about who she is also known as Bollywood's rising star, that one of the next big names in the industry. She has now been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. This is the second time that is going to be round 2. Yesterday itself, the 22-year-old was grilled for about 3 hours. India Today also accessed the bureau questionnaire. Sources are telling India Today that whether she saw any consumption of drugs at any point of time with regard to Aryan or otherwise is the question she was asked. She will be also asked about consumption by herself of drugs. But importantly, where did the procurement come from for any of these people who had wanted to consume narcotic substances? But while this questioning was on, India Today has learnt that 2 more actors could be under the radar of the Narcotics Control Bureau, and 2 of these young Bollywood actors have the names have surfaced again from the WhatsApp conversations of Aryan. Mustafa Sheikh is now again joining us from Mumbai. So Mustafa, it appears that the bureau is not stopping here. We can expect other names also of young actors. It does appear that within the film industry, this is going to send shockwaves. This is going to make many people nervous, especially the ones who may have been involved in procuring and consumption of drugs, if at all.
Yes, of course. Since yesterday, the sources in the Bollywood are, now discussing who's the next, who's named next. Because if you understand their social circle, it's likely that the star kids would be friends, and they must be having their own groups, and they must be having chats. And now, because the entire investigations have shifted from consumption and procurement, and earlier NCB used to arrest people who were found in possession of drugs or who had consumed the drugs, but now the entire game has changed, and it's goes back to months and years of WhatsApp chats which you would have had. Yesterday also, on one hand, the NCB was saying that she may be a witness because she is called, but Ananya Pandey's devices, electronic devices, have been seized first from her home, and then she has been summoned. So you clearly understand the direction in which the NCB is going. There are two ways for it. One, they are trying to strengthen their case against Aryan Khan because WhatsApp chats is all they have till now. And second, they are also going after Ananya Pandey for the chats she had, and if they can get through the peddlers or suppliers, if any, which she had procured drugs from, then that would be the other angle. So this is something which has really worried the star kids.
And at this point, yes, that Ananya has been summoned already for round one. She better be prepared with the questions and all possible evidence that she can bring forth to the Bureau if she wants to get away, because it appears that the clock is ticking for her as well. Trouble could be brewing for Ananya Pandey as well. But why was she summoned in the first place? Suddenly, how did Ananya Pandey's name come forth? Over now to my colleague Akshita Nandagopal, because she'll be explaining the reason behind summons sent yesterday to Ananya Pandey. Listen in.
Why exactly is Ananya Pandey under the scanner now? Why has NCB summoned the actor? Why was she questioned yesterday? Well, for starters, there were WhatsApp chats that were found in Aryan Khan's phone. And now the chats, particularly with Ananya Pandey, is under the scanner. And this is something that the NCB wants more details on. Now, also the fact is that they want to question Ananya Pandey, confront her on these chats and find out what was exactly discussed between the two, particularly about drugs.